Hello, thanks for joining me for another beer review then. Today we've got a beer from the Wantsum Brewery just up the road at St Nicholas at Wade, and this is their Ernest Green Hop Pale Ale, 4.2% ABV. I believe it's 15 IBUs. This is of the 2021 vintage, or not vintage, but yeah, series then. Then I've done one or two other green hop beers. I actually saw this beer on, was this beer on cask at the brewery? I visited the brewery earlier in the year, and perhaps it was something else, because according to Untapped I've not had it before. So, but anyway, green hop beers are unique, quite unique to Kent breweries. This beer has been brewed with locally grown Ernest hops. The hops are picked fresh and added to the brew within 3 hours of coming off the vines to maintain the freshness. So would that be classed as wet hops in the States? I would have thought so, something like that. A deliciously locally brewed IPA. So ingredients then: water, barley, oats, hops and yeast. It's got oats in it. Interesting. So a green bottle cap. It's a 500ml bottle. And I purchased this at the Bottleneck in Broadstairs. They do quite a large selection of local beers in there, which is one of the reasons why I went there today. The beer in a glass, give it a bit of a glug, give it a bit of a head, try and enhance them aromas. Quite interesting. I don't think I've ever had a green hop beer with Ernest hops. I'm not too sure. So beer in the glass, yeah, it's very clear. Very sediment in the bottom. No, which is one of the reasons I was surprised it says oats. Anyway, half a finger of white head, gin clear, kind of goldenish colour. Yeah, gentle carbonation. Gentle carbonation, nothing crazy. Swirl and a sniff then. Wow, okay, quite a pronounced sort of, I'm getting like a gooseberry note, hedgerow, maybe blackcurrant, but gooseberry. Interesting. Let's go straight in. Smells really good. Cheers. Definitely gooseberry. Almost like gooseberry pie, maybe. It's not particularly savoury or anything like that. Not getting any kind of crust or nothing like that. It just reminds me of that. More of the filling. Touch of spice. Maybe clove. Very interesting beer. Earthy, hedgerow fruit, with more of a gooseberry edge over everything else. Touch of blackcurrant maybe. That's nice. That's lovely. No sparkler on a bottle, lads. That's a really tasty beer. I feel bad that I don't get round to try all of their green hop beers. I mean, some of their, I don't know, I mean, I don't see them very often on cask locally. I think this may have made it to Wetherspoons, I'm not too sure. It's certainly the first time I've had this one from them. I've had other green hop beers from these guys in the past. Lovely brewery, lovely friendly folk as well. If you're down in the sort of Thanet area staying for a weekend, it's worth the detour to go out there. Really kind of homely feel to the, they've got a massive like barn area, and they've just generally got like a food stall, food vendor, get it right, at the brewery as well. So But check the website for opening times in the winter months. I'm not too sure what the deal is at the moment. But yeah, all the links will be down below, as well as playlists for these guys. So one more taste then. That's really nice, really easy drinking. Fresh, fairly fresh as well. So yeah, so the Wantsum Brewery out of St Nicholas at Wade is their Ernest Green Hop Pale Ale at 4.2% ABV. Check the brewery out. Thanks for watching then, you all take care, and I'll see you on the next review. Cheers.